Here, question number 4 is express SCF highest common factor of numbers 72 and 124 as a linear combination of 72 and 124. So first we find the SCF of 124 and 72. So here as 124 is greater than 72, so we divide to find SCF. We divide 124 by 72, then find Q and R and express 124 as what, using Euclids lemma. So divide 124 by 72. So 72 ones are 72. So what is remaining? It is 2, and here it is 52. So this is Q and this is R remainder. So by Euclid's lemma, we can write 124 as what? B is 72 into Q. Q is what? 1 plus remainder is 52. As here remainder is not 0, so to find SCF, again we have to divide 72 by 52. Okay, so we divide 72 by 52 and then write it as A is equal to BQ plus R. Write in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R. So 52 ones are 52. What is remaining? 20. So remainder is now what? 20. And quotient is what? 1. So we can write 72 is equal to what? B. B is now what? 52. So 52 into Q. Q is 1 plus remainder is 20. Okay. Again remainder is not 0. So to find SCF, we have to divide 52 by 20. So let us divide 52 by 20 and find Q and R. So 22 3s are 60, it is bigger, so 22 2s are 40. So 12 are remaining. So this is the R and this is the Q. Okay, so actually this is R. So we can write 52 as what? 20 into 2 plus 12. Again remainder is 12, not 0. So again we have to find SCF, again we have to divide 20 by 12. So if we divide 12 by 20, so 22 2s are 24, so we divide by 1. So what is remaining? It is 8. So this is what? R remainder, and this is Q. So we can write 20 is equal to what? 12 into 1 plus 8. Okay, again 8 is not 0, remainder is not 0. So to find SCF, we have to divide 12 by 8. So if you divide 12 by 8, it is equal to what? 8. 8 ones are 8. What is remaining? 4. So 4 is what? Remainder, and 1 is question. So we can write 12 is equal to as 8 into 1 plus 4. Again remainder is 4, that is not 0. So to find HCF, again we have to divide 8 by 4. So if we divide 8 by 4, remainder is 0 because 8, 4 2s are 8. So we can write 8 is equal to what? 4 into 2 plus 0. Okay. So here obviously remainder is 0. So we get SCF as a what? SCF as a 4. So SCF, we get SCF is equal to SCF of what? SCF of 8 and 4 is what? 4. Or we can say that SCF of 72 and 124 is equal to what? 4. Okay. So first we have found SCF. Now we have to express this SCF as a linear combination of 72 and 124. So let us see. Now to express this SCF as a linear combination of 72 and 124. So we write by equation 1, by equation 1, by this equation 1, we can write 4 is equal to what? 12 minus 8 into 1. By equation 4, or by equation we can say, by this equation star, we can write 4 as a what? 12 minus 8 into 1. Now by this equation, we can write 8 in place of 8, we can write 12 minus 20 minus 12 into 1. So this 4 is equal to 12 minus, in place of 8 we can write what? 20 minus 12 into 1. Using this equation, in place of 8 we can write 20 minus 12 into 1. Now if we simplify this, we can write like this: 12 minus 20, and minus minus is plus, 12 into 1, that is 12 into 1 is 12. Okay. Now as this is 12 and this is 12, so 12 24, or we can write like this: 4 is equal to 12 into 2. 12 plus 12 24, or 24 can be written as 12 into 2 minus 20. Okay. Now by this equation we can write, in place of 12 we can write 52 minus 20 into 2. So putting here in place of 12, we can write like this: 4 is equal to what? In place of this 12 we can write 52 minus 20 into 2 minus 20. Okay. So in place of 12 we can write 52 minus 20 into 2, and into 2 is there. Okay. So if we simplify this, this can be written as 52 into 2 by multiplying by this 2 to this, minus 20 into 2 into 2, 4 minus 20. So we can write 22 into 4, and this is 1. So we can write like this: 4 is equal to 52 into 2 minus 20 into what? 5. Okay. Now using this equation, which equation? Now using this equation we can replace 20, this 20 by this 72 minus 52 into 1. So replacing this 20 value here in equation here, so we can write, how we write 72, we can write replacing 20 as what, so you can write 4 is equal to 52 into 2 minus, in place of this 20 we can write 72 minus 52 into 1, you are replacing this 20 by above equation into 5. Okay, so we can write like this, 52 into 2 minus 72 into 5, minus minus is plus, plus 52 into 5. So 52 into 2 and 52 into 5, we can write like this, 4 is equal to 52 into what, 7 minus 72 into 5. Now using above equation we can replace, now using above equation we can replace 52 as, using above equation we can replace 52 as 124 minus 72 into 1 using above this equation. So we can write 52 as what, 124 minus 72 into 1 minus into 7, this 72 is as it is. Now in place of 52 we have written 124 minus 72 into 1 using above equation into 7 minus 72 into 5. Okay, so this can be written as 4 is equal to what, now 124 into 7 minus 72 into 7 minus 72 into 5. So we can write like this, 4 is equal to 124 into 7 minus 72 into what, 7 into 5, 12. This is into 12. So we can write this 4 as a linear combination of 124 plus minus linear combination of 72. Okay, so we can write like this, 4 is equal to 124 m plus 72 n, where m and n are integers. Okay, where m is equal to what, 124, sorry, m is equal to what, 7, and n is equal to what, that is minus 12. Okay, in this way we have proved that the 4 can be written as a linear combination of 124 and 72, and by above we have already seen that the SCF of 124 and 72 is 4. That's the example.